Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to convert any cryptocurrency into fiat on Binance. Now the first thing that you can do is, as you can see, if you go here to buy crypto, you can actually change your currency right here. For us it's euro, right? So, whenever we want to change any cryptocurrency into fiat, we will be changing it to euros, right? Now you can also go to USD, rubies and all that. But yeah, let's go first to our wallet, and on our wallet what we'll have to do is we'll have to go to fiat and spot right here. Now here what we will have to do is we'll have to go on, crypto. For example, let's go to Bitcoin. We can convert this, and here you can obviously change the crypto that you want to convert into fiat. So for example, let's say we want to change not Bitcoin, but let's say we want to change XRP, right? Let's say we want to change it into euro, right? Because we're obviously going to change it into fiat. But because our main currency is euros, it's going to be euros, right? So, and we can change right now 100 XRP into euros, right? Or we can also change euros into XRP if we click this, right? But we want to change obviously crypto into euros. So this is how to do it. And then you can just click preview conversion, and you will be able to, again, preview conversion. 1 XRP is this much euros and 1 euro is this much XRP, and then how many euros you're getting for 100 XRPs. And yeah, this is basically how to convert any cryptocurrency into fiat on Binance. Again, make sure to change your payment if you want to, your payment currency if you want to, exchange into USD, or if you want to exchange into euros, right? Or any other currency out there. So yeah, I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Like this video if this video helped you out, and subscribe for more content like this on our channel. Thank you for watching.